Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore SSL on a cPanel site using AutoSSL, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore SSL on a cPanel site using AutoSSL, begin by logging into your cPanel account. Once you are on the cPanel dashboard, locate the security section. In the security section, find and click on the SSL/TLS status icon. This will direct you to the SSL management page for your domains. Here, you will see a list of your domains and their current SSL status. Look for any domains marked as not secure or expired. To initiate the AutoSSL process, click the Run AutoSSL button. A confirmation message will pop up, informing you about the AutoSSL process. Confirm the action to start the SSL restoration. The AutoSSL system will begin checking your domains for the SSL certificates. This process may take a few moments. After it completes, you will return to the SSL/TLS status page. Check the status column to see if your domains now show as validated or issued. If your domains are still not secured, click the Manage AutoSSL button. Here, you can view any errors that may have prevented SSL issuance. Common issues may include DNS problems or configuration errors. Resolve any listed issues and repeat the AutoSSL run if necessary. Once your SSL certificates are issued, your site should be secure. To verify the installation, visit your website using https://. Make sure the SSL padlock icon displays in the browser's address bar. This indicates that the SSL is successfully restored. If you encounter persistent issues, consider reviewing the cPanel documentation or contacting support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.